Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung S20 Ultra. Now this is the new phone from Samsung that just came out. I was able to pick this up through my day job.
High five! Great!
So I guess one of the perks of the company I work for is I get to play a lot with new technology, especially in the mobile space. But anyways, so this is the Samsung S20 Ultra. Now, I've seen some reviews over the last week where a bunch of the more popular YouTubers and others have gotten what seems like pre-release versions of the phone. So the Samsung Media Relations apparently hands out a lot of free phones. And all those I've seen online have been the gray, cosmic gray, and this is a cosmic black. So what we're going to do today is just unbox this, take a quick look at the device, compare it in size to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and then I have a whole bunch of other videos that I'm planning over the next couple weeks to kind of take a look at the phone, take a look at the camera, first impressions and all of that. So this is just an unboxing, quick look at it, right? And then also I've got some cases to try on for this, so I have some separate videos for cases, etc. So we're just going to do this quick unboxing today, just so you can get a look at what the cosmic black looks like. So simple black box, and this is the unlocked version that I'll probably be using with T-Mobile. So what do you get in the box? Get the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. You get a wall charger, stereo headset, quick start guide, and some more materials. So in the top lid of the case you have, oops, rip that I guess, your SIM ejection tool here, and then basically your books and quick reference guides and all that. And the device itself is just right here in the box. I'm going to pull this out. Looks pretty nice. Collects a lot of dust, I guess. But yeah, so you can see here there's their monster camera bump. Sorry, you get the reflection of my microphone there. You got your camera bump. Yeah, this looks really nice. It's not too heavy actually either. So I'm just gonna put this down for a second. Now it does come with the fast charger. I believe this is a 15-watt fast charger. So you can get up to, I think, a 45-watt that you have to purchase separately from Samsung. The fast charger's included. Got your USB-C cable here and AKG headphones with USB-C connector. I typically don't use the headphones that come with these just because I don't like the in-ear versions, so I've got a couple pairs of these that I've collected over the years from different phones. So that's basically all that's in the box. Not much in the box. So we'll just kind of peel this off. Yeah, so this is the phone. So what you have here is on, now this is different than the Galaxy Note 10. So on the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus, all the buttons are on the left side. On this, the buttons are on the right side again. So you have the power button, volume up, down. Comes with a pre-installed screen protector, which is good. Typically the ones with Samsung are pretty decent. From just a plastic touch perspective, it works. They usually work pretty well. Yeah, and the camera bump is pretty big. So you can see right there it says Space Zoom 100x. And the different cameras, camera modules. The bottom you get your typical USB-C microphone, stereo speaker on the bottom, and then at the top you have your SIM slot, SD card slot combination, and then another microphone. So we'll just turn this on real quick. And while this is starting up, I'll grab my other phone. Now just taking a look at these, I'll say that the Galaxy S20 Ultra is a little bit taller and it's a little bit thinner. It's not as wide as the Galaxy Note. Other than that, I feel about the same size in the hand. Screen is obviously just a little bit taller and a little bit bigger. I still have to set this up. I'm not going to do that today. And then the corners of the screen on the Galaxy Note are tighter, a little bit of more squared off. Galaxy Ultra, it's more rounded off in the corner, kind of the bigger radius corner of the screen. The hole punch is a little bit smaller than on the Galaxy Note 10. It has a bigger hole punch in the middle than this, so it's a little less noticeable on that. But all in all, devices are close in size. And Galaxy Ultra or S20 Ultra is a little thicker too, and not by much, just a little bit thicker. So close in size to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
So what I'm going to do is go ahead and set this up and check it out over the next few days, and I'll have another video where I'll start to go into some more of the details on the S20 Ultra. Like I said, this I just want to do a quick unboxing, show you, what comes in the package, show you the black, and it's a fingerprint magnet, and just give a little bit of a size comparison to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But yeah, this camera module is monster, compared to what was on the other one. So stay tuned for updates on this as I go forward. Like I said, I got a lot of videos that I want to do regarding cases and just the features of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you have any questions or if you have anything that you want to see in future videos, go ahead and drop those comments below. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.